What's up, athletes? I welcome you to this back and biceps workout by CureFit. This is Rahul Shetty here, and I'm going to guide you through these exciting and super fun mixed workout. I am excited to bring you these 5 handpicked workout movements that will do wonders for your back and biceps. I will be performing all of them for 45 seconds with a 15-second rest in between. The best part is that you would just require a pair of dumbbell and you can perform these workout movements anywhere, especially from the comfort of your homes. Fitness is something that all of us should make a part of our lives. For all of us who've been watching this video, join me through this home workout movement and I will make sure that you will feel amazing at the end of this workout session. Without any delay, let's begin our workout. Alright guys, let's begin this workout. Our first movement is going to be dumbbell bent over rows. Using a pair of dumbbell, I'll set this up for you. Your feet stays just below your hip. From here, you're going to hinge at your hip and you're going to drop your upper body. Starting from this position, you're going to bring the weight all the way up, squeezing your upper back, and then you're going to extend your elbows by bringing the weight down. It's more of a controlled movement. Do not speed up, but control the movement, engage those muscles, and then extend your elbows. Yup, you're going to perform this movement for 45 seconds, starting in 3, 2, 1, let's go. Keep your lats squeezed. Bring the weight all the way up, all the way down by extending your elbows. Keep going guys for 45 seconds. Inhale when you bring the weight up, exhale when you drop the weight down. For a stronger back, keep moving for 45 seconds. Amazing movement for a strong upper back. Come on guys, you all got this for 45 seconds. Bring the weight up and then bring the weight down. Row. Bring it down, extend your elbows, keep moving for 45 seconds. Come on guys, let's finish this strong. And we are done. Whoa, that was a great movement. Alright guys, moving on to our second movement, we have bicep curls. I will set this up for you. Starting from here, you will just move your lower arm to perform this movement. Try not to swing your body much. Starting from here, you're going to bring the weight up and curl your wrist a bit when you're finishing the movement. Back again, you're going to extend your elbows and you're going to switch side. Yeah, we will perform this movement alternating sides for 45 seconds to build that stronger arm. Yeah, let's begin in 3, 2, 1 and let's go. Keep going without swinging your body. Just your lower arm. Bring the weight all the way up. Curl the weight at end of the movement. Targeting your biceps. Come on guys. For 45 seconds. As many reps as possible. Keep moving. Do not bring your elbows in the front. Remember the points of performance, the key areas to target the muscle. I will show it on a side way. For a few more seconds. Come on guys. Last 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 and we are done. Whoa, let me just shake off my arms. Right after the dumbbell rowing, moving on to the bicep curls gives you a great burn on your arms. Alright guys, let's move on to our third movement, which is bent over lateral rises, which is going to target your upper back. Alright, now points of performance. Your feet stays just below your hip. From here, back again in the hip hinge position. You're going to hinge at your hip. Drop your upper body. Starting from here, the weight stays just below your chest or your shoulders. Starting from here, you're going to keep your elbows slightly bent and move the weight lateral sides, squeezing your upper back. Yeah? Let's do this movement for 45 seconds. Alright, I'll show you a few reps facing forward. Starting in 3, 2, 1. Hip hinge. Starting from here. 1. Control the movement. Do not swing the weight. Engaging your upper back. Come on guys. Slow and nice. Slow and controlled. The more controlled, the more challenging and effective. Keep moving. Show it on a side way. a powerful movement. Keep moving for a strong upper back. Few more seconds. Almost there. 3, 2, 1, and we are done. Wow, what a great burn on my back already with the 3 good movements. Alright guys, let's move on to our 4th movement, which is going to be hammer curls. Starting from here, it's again your lower arm which is going to perform the movement. You're going to bring the weight up, squeeze your upper arm, back again. You're going to switch side. Yeah, let's perform this movement for 45 seconds. In 3, 2, 1, shoulders rolling back, and let's go. Alternate sides. Keep your core braced throughout for 45 seconds. What a powerful workout. What a powerful movement. Engaging your back, engaging your arms with just a pair of dumbbells, staying at your home, getting a great workout. Come on guys, let's all do this together. Let's finish this strong. Keep moving, alternating both the sides, targeting your forearm as well, since in that hammer position. Last few seconds. 3, 2, 1, and we are done. Wow, we are done with 4 great movements which targeted your back and arms. Alright guys, before we move on to the last movement, I invite you onto the CureFit app and try out our CureFit Live. Here you can work out with many more trainers like me who will guide you in your fitness journey. If you have downloaded the app through the link in the description or the first comment below, you will get a free access of 14 days. Alright guys, moving on to a 5th movement, which is plank knee to elbow. Alright, I'll set this up for you. Starting with the high plank position. Starting from here, keep your body in one straight line. Do not sink your hip down nor lift your hip up. Your shoulder and hip stays in one straight line. From here, you're going to bring your knee close to your elbow and you're going to switch side for 45 good seconds. After those 4 powerful movements, we are hitting a core for 45 seconds. Let's begin in 3, 2, 1, and let's go. For 45 seconds, slow and controlled, engaging your core. Since you've done 2 variations for your arms, you will feel a bit pressure on your shoulders, but try making it challenging as possible without giving up anywhere. Bring your knee close to your elbow, back again. Keep moving guys. 45 seconds. Hitting as many reps as possible, sticking to the same form. Keep moving, and your breathing is very important. Keep moving. Almost there. Last 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and we are done. Wow, what a great core burner. Alright guys, we are done with this home workout. Add this to your personal playlist and come back to do this workout 4 to 5 times a week for a month. You repeat the rounds of the workout and perform 3 to 5 rounds to increase the intensity. This will help you burn more calories and get you leaner and stronger. Let us know in the comments below how you found this workout. Stay tuned to our CureFit YouTube channel. Like the video, share it across with your friends and family. Save the video either in watch later or create a new personal playlist. Subscribe to CureFit channel if you haven't already and hit the bell icon to never miss a video from us. Cheers guys.